Kamusta guys? Ngayong araw muli tayo magre-react sa banda Mission Souls. Ito yung kanta ng Dire Straits na kanilang i-cover, yung Tunnel of Love na sumikat noong 1980. And pakinggan natin kung gaano kagaling dito ang bandang Mission Souls. Ang galing talaga sa piano ni Naces, no? Ang astig ng intro.
That I choose. Hey, singing about the 6-8, singing about the switchback and a tortured tattoo, and I'll be writing on a ghost train.
Parang may pagka-blues, no? Itong tugtugan nila na to.
Cause they scream and slam, and I don't know where I'll be tonight, but I'd always tell you where I am.
Ang pagkakaalam ko, tropa ni Eric Clapton yung vocalist nitong bandang Dire Straits. Madalas ko silang mapanood na magkasama sa mga concert.
In the screaming ring of faces, I see her standing in the light. She had a ticket for the races, yeah, just like me, she was a victim of the night.
Parang sa Tears in Heaven na kanta ni Eric Clapton, si dun yung vocalist ng Dire Straits, yung pinaka-rhythm guitar doon.
I put my hand up on a lever, said let her rock and let her roll. I had the one-arm bandit fever, there was an arrow through my heart and my soul, and the big wheel keep on turning.
Napakaswabe naman nun. Nung plucking ni Nisha. Lupit ng mga bagsakan ni Ice dito.
Perfect stranger. She said, baby, let's keep it like this.
Si Naces dito, dalawa yung hawak niyang instrumento. Kanina keyboard ngayon bass guitar.
It's just a cakewalk, twisting, baby, yeah, step right up and say, hey mister, give me two now, there's any to complain. The big wheel keep on turning.
Ilang araw kaya nilang sinipra to. Parang bagong pyesa lang nila to, no? Bagong pondo. Abangan natin kung may adlib dito si Nisha.
Another worldly gig, money for muscle and another girl I dig, another hustle just to make it big and rock away, rock.
Ayan, sumenya si si Ice kay Naces. Baka dito napapasok yung adlib. Kakaiba yung tono, no? Nitong kantang to.
Yeah, girl, it looks so pretty to me. Just
nun, no? Yung palo ni Ice. 16-bit. Ayun. Ang lupit ng adlib. Ito na nga yung sinabi nung nag-comment sa atin na hindi raw gumamit ng pick si Nisha. Yung kanyang daliri lang ang gamit niyang pangkalabit ng kwerdas. Grabe, no? Para ring nakapik. Lupit talaga ni Nisha sa gitara.
She said, remember me by this. She put her hand in my pocket. I got a keepsake and a kiss. And in the roar of dust and diesel, I stood and watched her walk away. I could have caught up with her easy enough, but something must have made.
Galing din pala ni Nisha sa blues, ano? Yung blues style ng pag-a-adlib. Galing niya. Eh, no? Narinig niyo yun, guys. Grabe, no? Ang bilis ng daliri ni Nisha.
Yeah, now I'm searching through these carousels and the carnival arcades, searching everywhere from steeplechase to palisades, and then you shooting gallery where promise.
Cute ng boses ni Stacy. Para lang siya nagbabasa ng lyrics. Galing ng pagkakaareglo nitong kantang to. Kakaiba.
To walk away, walk away, walk away, walk away from Cocos to Felipe, and to walk away. And girl, it looks so pretty to me.
Grabe, lupit.
Like it always did, like the Spanish city to me when we were kids. Girl, it looks so
Pare silang nakakapo ni Nisha.
pretty to me, like it always did, like the Spanish city to me when we were kids.
Si Naces parang nadadalian lang dun sa sa chords ng bass. Simpleng-simple lang sa kanya tignan. Sarap nun, no? Yung sustain na yan. Yung pag-bend ni Nisha. Sarap pakinggan. Tugtugang 80s. Galing rin sa adlib nung gitarista nitong bandang Dire Straits eh. Panoorin nyo guys yung iban lang video, gabi. Napakahalimaw sa gitara nun. pinakapanibago no yung tunog ni Nisha ngayon. Hindi siya naka-distortion. Parang clean tone lang yung gamit niya dito. Parang may konting chorus na effects. Parang Eric Clapton din eh. Ang galing sa blues. Yan sa mixing, merong parts ng keyboard si Naces dito. Ganda ng tunog ng keyboard niya. Para lang silang naglalaro dito guys. Sa tugtugan na to. Parang jamming lang ano. Yung datingan nila dito. Ayan o, si Aiso. Gumigewang-gewang pa eh. enjoy si Ai sa pagdadrums. Grabe yun. Isa na namang malupit na cover song ang ating napanood mula sa banda Mission Souls. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo guys, mag-subscribe na kayo sa channel ng bandang Mission Souls. Ganun din sa ating munting channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating i-react. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.